Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Choma Michael of Lomash Confectionery, and we'll be making oil-based vanilla cake. So let's dive into it. I have my eggs there, my vinegar, my sugar, flour, Remy's vanilla flavor, my oil, milk, and I'm going to list the measurements in the description button below. So let's get started. So I'll start by separating the egg whites. We are going to beat it to stiff peak. So make sure your eggs are at room temperature. Then we'll cream it and add our sugar gradually, but before then we'll add our vinegar. So we'll cream, stop, add vinegar, and then add sugar and cream. So I added half TSP white vinegar, and then I continued creaming. And now I will start adding my sugar gradually and batch by batch, whisking the two together until I achieve a stiff peak. So you can cream for extra 3 to 4 minutes until you achieve that. Then the next thing is to add the egg yolk and then cream. I'll be adding my baking powder to the flour, and then I will sift and gradually add to the egg white mixture. It's really important not to over mix so that you can be able to achieve a spongy cake. I'll be adding 30 ml of vegetable oil. I use King's oil. And next I'll be adding my creamy vanilla flavor. Very important to use vanilla flavor for this particular cake. It really gives it that rich taste and very nice aroma. Yes, so I use the Hollandia milk for this baking. It's a very nice milk, so I suggest you use it too, or any nice milk you can lay your hands on. It's really okay. So yeah. Now I'll start sifting in the flour gradually, one after the other, gently turning in and you know getting everything mixed in. So just mix, turn, add, turn, add. Don't dump all your flour at the same time. Really important. I'll be adding vinegar last to the batter before I pour to my pan and it gets to the oven. And for this, you can bake for 30-35 minutes or until you insert skewer and it comes out. So here is our finished cake. I made two batches, a square and a round. So here is the square, the round reserved for a client's job. So look at how nice it is. So let's cut in and see this. I have to show you guys my face and everything. So yeah, here we go. So look at this. Ooh, spongy, spongy, spongy. So the secret to getting this is, making sure your egg is whipped to stiff peak. Thank you for viewing. Remember to subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you.